Hey, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, together with the Admiral today, and we are finally getting to our official sort of christening of the boat by putting the name on it. So, Eternity Shore 2. We're about to do this, and I waited for Mary to do it because she does a much better job of this kind of stuff than I do. So we're about to put this on. We just cleaned the back, the transom. We'll dry it off, and then we'll put this on and see how it looks. You are? Ooh.
It is bright.
So the Admiral and I just went on our first inaugural trip with the name on the boat, Eternity Shore 2. I think we did great. We did not do any filming of it. We just wanted to be able to relax and enjoy it. I will say that we did a great job bringing the boat back this time. There's a little bit more wind, and we're learning how to manage getting back into the slip. We anchored out again. I think we did a good job today in doing that. And yeah, so we're very, very pleased. The name looks great. And it's now official. This is the Eternity Shore 2. Do you have anything you want to say?
See you next time.
See you next time. Ciao.